Hi, I'm Jesse with Resurfacing Solutions here in Knoxville, Tennessee. I am so excited that you are considering starting your own refinishing business. Let me tell you why I believe in this opportunity. If you want to be your own boss, if you want to set your own hours, if you want to work hard and watch your business grow, then this opportunity is going to be for you. If you're anything like me, any job that I've ever had, I've always excelled. I've always gotten promoted very quickly. I've always earned the trust and confidence of my employer right off the bat. The harder I worked, the more money that I would make for the company, and occasionally I would get a small raise or maybe an added benefit to my package. Well, one day I decided that's not good enough. I wanted to see what I could accomplish. I wanted to work hard. I wanted to enjoy all the benefits and keep all the profits myself, or reinvest them into the business to help promote future growth. I took a giant leap of faith. It was the most exciting, but also the scariest thing I'd ever done. But here I am today, many years later, and have developed a proven business model and method that I'm positive you could use wherever you live. We have put together a very detailed package that includes training manuals, training videos, equipment, tools, materials, and even a startup website. All of this will cover most everything that you need to know in order to get started and have your business moving in the right direction. Along with our training packages, I'm also going to offer 12 months of tech support and troubleshooting at your fingertips. Take advantages of opportunities to come train with me personally and get some awesome hands-on experience. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a roll up your sleeves, work hard, stick with it, stay at it, don't quit, don't give up, and watch how successful you can be kind of program. So if all of this is sounding good so far, and you would like the opportunity to make $3,000 to $5,000 per week or more within the first 12 months of your business, then call me. Let me show you how what has worked for me can also work for you.